I just had a second here and I wanted to show you guys something real quick that I was asked about. Um, in the respawn tutorials, we do the window key hit key dot space. Alright, to change that. Alright, to change it so it's not space, it's a different key altogether. It's not very hard at all. All we have to do is brought in the Linux. Why did I say Linux? Leadwerks. Right in the Leadwerks website, they've got a script command reference, or you can use the ID. So there is key down and there's key hit. I use key hit. In the ADS tutorial, you see the difference between key hit and key down. But basically, once you hit the key, it's going to you need to give it the command key hit and then the integer of the key code. Alright, so what that means is, just like we had in here in our script, so you have the key hit command, and then we need to say key dot and then whatever the key ID is, the key code I should say. That's why it took me a little bit to find it. So whenever our keys hit, we enter this key code. If you look up key in the command reference, just key, it gives you a listing of all the keys. So the character keys, which are the main keys, the QWE, they're just their straight ID in a capital letter. So the A key is just a capital A, the B is a capital B. These D numbers, they're the numbers directly above all the letters. D0, D1, D2, all the way out. Then you have the function keys, the number pad, the left and right mouse buttons. I don't do it this way, but apparently that does work. I've never tested it. And then all your special keys and how to call those. So that's how you do key commands. Now, key hit gets the hit state. So that means whether it was touched or not, whether it was pressed down or not. Key down is the key down state, and that means while that key is held down, it'll do whatever the command is telling it to do until it's released and then it'll stop. If you watch the ADS tutorial, I think it's the first video, when I go to aim down sights, it does like this rapid up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, because I used key down instead of key hit, and it's physically impossible to only key down for a single frame. So that's basically what I wanted to show you guys. If you have any suggestions or want to see any scripts done, let me know.